Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode we're gonna see the headphones of Sony, which is the brand, and it's industry leading with a noise cancelling, very effective. It's a award-winning headphone, and the brand model is WH-1000XM4, which is has active noise cancelling and battery life of 30 hours with active noise cancelling. And if you don't use active noise cancelling, the battery can last for 38 hours. It has wireless, it has Bluetooth 5.0, and they say it's amazing. We're gonna open this box and see what is inside this baby. I just opened the box, I unwrapped the plastic pack, and I opened the box here. We can see the interior box, which has the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, and the application which you can upload to your phone and to Google Assistant Play, to Android devices and iPad if you want, in order to use properly. As soon as I unwrap the box, I can see there is a sticker which says 360 real audio music free trial, which has a coupon code from the back side. I'm not gonna show to the camera. It has the manual for this headphone set in order to use it properly. I'm leaving it to the side, and let's open our box, which has this nice plastic carrying pack. It's not plastic, of course, it's leather, fake leather, but it's nice, it's looking nice. As soon as we open the box, we see that our headphone set is coming to a nice positioning style, which you can carry very easily around in the trips. What we have here, we have the connector jack in order to use to the airplanes, and connect the 3.5mm jack here and use it with your headphone. Use the services which provide the airplane music or movies, watch them. There is also a connector cable here, which you can plug to your headphone and to your phone and use it with the cable here. Also, we have the charging cable, which is type C, which goes to our headphone set, and USB 2 type, which goes to our power supply or to our computer in order to charge this baby. And now we just unpacked our headphone set, and we can see here there is a leather cushion, which it's very soft and wraps the entire ear very easily. There is a proximity meter here, which counts each time when you are putting the headphone away from your ears. The music pauses, and when you put the headset on your ear, the music resumes where you stop. At the bottom side, we have the USB type C charging port, the LED lighting and indicating for charging. Here we have the 3.5mm jack, which you can use with the cable I provided here at the corner. Here we have the powering button. Here we have the custom button, which you can customize from your app and provide it as you want. What else we can say? It's nice, soft. It has the head pushing here, which is very soft also, and it's nice. It's looking nice. It's plastic, yes, but it looks great. It has leather, I don't know, it will survive, I think. In addition, I want to say that this headphone set, when you are charging for 10 minutes, you can use it for 5 hours without any catch, and it's very nice thing. If you're in a hurry, you can use it with a 10-minute charging for 5 hours. Also, I want to add something else. It has 5 microphones at the bottom of the left side earbud, and which is using for noise cancellation, active noise cancellation, which Sony has provided a new chip inside here. It's very powerful and it works very fine. Now I just want to say about this little cable, which is the connector for our headphone set with our phone or iPad. It's the length is 100 centimeters. It is OFC wrapping, and the plugging point is gold. On our headphone we have 5.0 Bluetooth connection, which is the latest and the most powerful connection that you can see. The latency is very short for calling and gaming or watching movies. For this headphone, I want to say that in this generation, Sony company just applied the improvement for connecting this device for two different types of device connections at the same time. For example, if you're on laptop and watching movie and the phone is ringing, the movie is pausing and then connects to the phone automatically, and you can answer your phones very easily. That's a nice one. If your phone device is support NFC type connection, then you can plug your headphone set with your phone very easily, which our headphone is supporting NFC connection here. As you can see, it has a mark. Come on, let me show it. Okay. In order to use our headphone set in full capacity, we have to charge it for 3 hours consecutively, and in order to use with no active noise cancellation for 30 hours and active noise cancellation off for 38 hours. I just want to say our headphone has the weight of 254 grams. It's very lightweight, it's not bothering you. The outer plastic it's okay, but in the interior we have the steel plate here. It's very nice, trust. It's not any, you can adjust the height of the headphone to your head. And the plus also, this headphone pad is covering, can turn like this and sit on your head very nicely. Sony on this headphone, on this generation, it has Amazing 10, has done a great job, which is the speak to chat. And when this headphone is on your head and you're listening to music, nothing can bother you from outside when the active noise cancelling is on. But when you want to speak with someone else, it goes to transparent mode and you can hear the voice or the speech which coming from outside world without getting the headpads off your head on your neck, and you can speak easily. But also there is only plus for me, which has this amazing chip inside, has these 5 microphones, and when you are singing the song very smoothly, the transparent mode doesn't go on and you can be noise cancelling on all the time. That's great. A plus also for me is that when you are walking on the road or when you are traveling and you want to speak with someone, Sony has done a great job. And when you put your right hand on your right earpod, noise cancelling is getting off and it goes to transparent mode and you can hear the outside world and you can communicate easily with someone that you want. And when you are getting your hand off, then the music resumes from the place that starts. When you are using this on 75% of volume height, the bass is very nice and it's responding very well. But it depends on the person and you can change. But if you want more louder, it may leak the noise outside world. It may cause a leakage of noise. Besides that, if you want more bass, this might not be for you because the bass is a little bit light in the middle. I can not say it's very high. It's nice, it doesn't bother you, and you can listen music for long hours. I just want to add something for the button controls for this headphone set. From the right side of our headphone, there is a touchpad here, which you can control volume, which you can drag up the volume and you can drag down, you can lower the voice, or you can drag right for skipping the track or dragging for the left side. You can go to the previous track or tap once to pause the music, tap twice to resume the music. That's nice. For this headphone we have the high-res audio and high-res wireless audio, which provides the very best quality noise that you can find on market, and with the zipping streaming file system, it's very nice and provides the best quality for the audio. Also on right earpod you can answer the phones by tapping here, and you can have a phone conversation on high quality basses, and it has 5 microphones, of course. It's very strong and most quality sound that you can find. And lastly, I want to say that, can we buy this headphone? Yes, of course we can buy. It's very nice. It's a 5-star headphone. It's the latest technology, the best noise cancellation headphone that you can find on market. So the video was like this. Thank you for watching me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video in order to break YouTube algorithm.